Last on DD Rajasthan. So summary of that program. So Indian marriage laws, various issue. So first is the legal basis. So in Constitution Article 21, the right to marriage is under the personal liberty, and Human Right Declaration of UN 1948 in Article 16, and various constitutional and legal right are for the marriage. And then the religious diversity and the laws in India. So India is a secular nation. Uh, there everyone have right to choose the and practice the religion. Then the religion specific marriage laws are there, like Hindu Vivaha Adhiniyam and Muslim Vivaha Adhiniyam and various other marriage act and laws for various religious community. And there are inter-religious and inter-caste marriage also in special marriage act. Then comes the defining the valid marriage. What is the valid marriage? So in Hindu marriage, the sanskar, the marriage is in the 16 sanskar and dharma, and respect of woman in the this marriage system. And in Hindu marriage act, there is essential ritual of the Satpapadi, means Sat Fere, and age requirement is 18 to 21, and no prior marriage is required, and polygamy and polyandry is not legal, and the mental soundness and consent is necessary. No coercion and inducement are there, and commitment to conjugation direction and prohibited relationship is mandatory. So then what is the Muslim marriage or nikah? So nikah as a civil contract, and the age is according to Sharia 13 for female and 15 for male, and the consent is required, and nikah nama is written as marriage contract, and meher as dowry and financial security, and polygamy, conditional polygamy in allowed in Muslim marriage. Then come the Parsi laws. So the similar to Sharia, the age and polygamy, and with the permission of guardian and court, and the age for girls is 9. Then comes the Christian law. So application to Christian, and there is monogamy, and age is 18 to 21, and grounds for divorce are adultery, conversion, bigamy, cruelty, and separation. Then comes the uniform civil code. So the effort for uniform laws is there, and gender discrimination concern and conflict with personal laws like polygamy in some region, and IPC and BNS applicative in bigamy as offense. So special marriage act for inter-religion and inter-caste marriage, and applicable to all Indian citizens. Separate registration process is there, and provision for marriage and registration is there. Then the marriage registration. So the Supreme Court guideline for compulsory registration, importance of data, marital status and legal right, and required the legal process like divorce, child custody, and passport, and process application, affidavit, age group notice and certificate, and registration after religious ceremony, evidence, marriage card, photos, and pandit or kaji affidavit. Then comes the marriage involve the foreigner. So permitted in India, destination wedding, required document, passport, valid visa, affidavit, and age group, evidence of marriage, and no objection certificate from foreign embassy is needed. Then the child marriage. So prohibition under child marriage restraint act, legal age 18 to 20, 18 for female and 21 for male, and social evil and rural prevalence and null and void declaration or annulment. So right to minor to annual after the majority through guardian and legal aid before marriage, and court decree required and no specific limitation period after the majority, and right to children born from child marriage. So legitimate right, maintenance right and inherit right may be affected initially. Then comes the fraudulent marriage. So deception in marriage or counseling prior marriage and misrepresentation and marriage of wrongful gain or NRI cases remedies. So nullification of marriage in court and criminal prosecution according to IPC and BNS. Then same-sex marriage. So not legally recognized in India current instances, and ongoing debate and Supreme Court consideration is there. Challenge in existing law and definition of spouse and gender should be defined there, and live in relationship. So not equivalent to marriage and recognized by Supreme Court, and right under Domestic Violence Act, and right of children born in living relationship, resident right and maintenance right are available for them. Then woman marital status and married right. So right to respect and dignity, and right to shared household, protection from domestic violence, right to maintenance under section 125 CRPC and personal laws, and right to resident, right to related to child and personal liability. So this is for today. So